Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how I build a machine learning model that predict student depression using real data and zero coding, all inside Altair AI Studio. So I will first tell you how to download. Here's the link. I will save it. First, I will open it. There is page. Here is a fully deep description about how to download a Altair Rapid Miner AI Studio. Here's the process while signing up. This is for Windows, Mac, Linux options to download, and that was last when fully application was installed. You have to done RapidMiner account license. This was the homepage of this app. So we have to go first here as there say there is a download button. We have to do all these things to verify as education, commercial purpose, what's your background. After downloading this kind of application, you have AI Studio 2025.0.1. You have to open it. I have done all these things, so mine direct open apps. It takes sometimes to open it, approx 1 to 1.5 minutes. Nothing to vary. So at that time, I'm using Kaggle for my dataset. So I will tell you how to work. This is homepage of Kaggle. You first have to log in, sign up here. I have already created an account as my name. Here's the datashet options. There is many more options, but I only want dataset. There is a lot of things to do. Where did you want? As I tell you, my project was student depression. I'm using this version, Shodolamo OPME. This was a person. Here's a fully descriptions about dataset. A student description dataset typically contains data aimed at analyzing, understanding, and predicting depression's level among students. It may include features such as demographics information, age, gender, academic performance, grades, attendance, lifestyle habits, sleep patterns, exercise, social activities, mental health history, and response to standardized depression scales. These datasets are valuable for research in psychology, data science, and education to identify factors contributing to student depressions and to design early intervention strategies. Ethical considerations like privacy, informed consistent, and anonymizations of data are crucial in working with such sensitive information. This file structure was CSV format. These are the columns: ID, unique identification for each student, age of the student, gender, male or female, city, geographic region, CGPA, grade points, average, or other academic scores, sleep duration, everything. We have targeted value, depression status. This is all things. So I'm downloading this data set from here. First, we have to download it in zip form. This is I have extracted by here. So it will do it. This was my data that contained ID, gender, age, city, professional, academic, work pressure, CGPA, study, job satisfactions, and many more things. This was my whole data. So we have to open it. This was the page, home page of the AI Studio. This was blank process, but today I'm using AutoModel. After AutoModel clicking, this page will opens. I have to import data, my computer. I will save in local disk data, and then this was my .csv. That was all. As you see, there is a lot of data. Prox more than 25,000. But here only 100 of data, 100 number of data. So did you notice something? This data only taken for studio to train it. After that, this will also give all results. After clicking next, this is all you have. If you think you have something error or blank space, any column, then there is option replace error with missing value. There is telling please select repository locations before continuing. So I will do it on data new port processes. I will do it here. Okay. This was the base. First, we have to load data, select task, prepare target, select input, model types. Last was our result. We have on select task. This was all we have. On my description box, it is also mentioned depression status was our target variable. So we find depression status, academic pressure, work pressure, CGPA, study actions. This was, if we have three things, sorry, I will forget to tell you, outlier, cluster, and predict. If you want to identify a group in your data, then click on clusters. If you want to detect outliers in your data, then click on outlier. But if we are here for predicting things, so these are all our data. Just click on next. There is a things. There is a number of approx 11,000 plus, and this was approx 16,000. After clicking next, these three things, red, yellow, select all. These are the things that matters to predict our data, like student ID. It doesn't make any sense. Any student who depressed or anything. Profession, pressure. First, something gender and age will matters, and city, academic pressures, it's matters. CGPA, it also matters. Study satisfaction, sleep duration, degree, work study hours. It's means we have a click on AutoModel. It's also detect all things which matter to predict our data. So we have just click on next, but take a look on all things. If all things are good or not. If you want to click these things, you will do it, but it doesn't vary. So these are the models: generalized linear models, deep learning, decision tree, random forest, and these are all things. This all so auto detect which model is doing all these things. We have to just run it. These are the data. Here is processing it. Generalized, general.